Taking charge of the Barcelona first team earlier this month, plans for the January transfer windows are underway. Barcelona are planning a Premier League raid to find a new striker in January. Barca says Barca are targeting a trio of forwards this winter with Timo Werner, Chelsea, Edison Cavani, Manchester United, Raheem Sterling, Manchester City on their wish list. Dani Alves could yet return to the Barcelona as he continues to search for a club to end his fantastic career. Alves has signed last year or so with Brazilian outfit Sao Paulo, but he left the club in summer and chosen to take the rest of 2021 off. He could return in January, however, currently looking for right club to finish his fantastic career. According to the reports in Brazil, that could yet be his former club Barcelona. Barcelona midfielder Coutinho. I have chatted with Xavi. Coutinho is currently in Brazil with the national team squad. Asked about his new coach, the midfielder said, Xavi was one of the greatest players I have ever seen. He is my idol of the club who is back with us. I hope he will have great success with the group we have. We had chat and I know he is a great guy. I'm sure he will do a good job in Barcelona and sure we can win Champions League. Xavi wants to bring back Premier League winger back to Barcelona in the winter. Xavi Hernandez, taking over as the Barcelona manager, has highlighted the need for direct, pacey winger in his team to order for him to implement his. However, the club financial situation dedicates that they look at more affordable option. This had led them to the familiar face in form of Francisco Trincao. Xavi wants him back at Barca. Dani Carvajal, Real Madrid right back, have stated something. It's good that Xavi comes to La Liga. He has been very important player in Barcelona in La Liga. I wish him all the luck in the world, even if he is our competition, but we must not wish evil on anyone. Liverpool ready to offer 20 million signing on the bonus for Ousmane Dembele, Barcelona forward. The report claims that Georgian club is huge admirer of the former Borussia Dortmund star and had tried to sign him couple of years, but he failed. Now that's an open chance for him, so he wanted to sign him in Liverpool. The former Bengaluru and Hyderabad head coach is set to become a free agent as Xavi takes over Barcelona. A return to an Indian on the cards? Comment below. ISL clubs were won over the exceeding the salary caps, fines and points deduction could be seen this season from 19 November.